Red velvet pancake. So hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Sasha YouTube channel, and today we're gonna make heart shaped red velvet pancakes. So let's start. So for that we will make cream cheese glaze. So let's make. For that boil 1 cup of milk. Then after boiling turn off the gas and then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Rest for 30 minutes. Then sieve it, remove all the water extract from it. Then blend it. Then add 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoon of icing sugar. I refer to 2 tablespoon. Then make a perfect cheese glaze. Then let's make batter. For that take 4 tablespoon of flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, 2 pinches of salt, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoon of icing sugar. Mix and then take 2.5 tablespoon of curd, 4 tablespoon of buttermilk, half teaspoon of vanilla essence, and then ghee, and then milk as needed. Then 1 tablespoon of approximately red color, and then grease some butter, and then make a heart shape, a beautiful heart shape. Then fill it nicely, and then when your knife come clean, take it off. Then make all them like this in a beautiful shape. Then add your cream cheese glaze on it. You can also add milk chocolate instead of this glaze, and then add this powder of cake. Then enjoy. Do like, subscribe and comment. Bye guys, and happy Valentine's Day.